Here's a breakdown of how Temu coupon bundles work. Temu coupon bundles are special offers designed for larger purchases, typically started at $1,000. They often come with strict usage timelines, requiring you to apply them within a few days. Unlike regular coupons, these bundles can generally be applied to a wide range of products available on Temu. So, types of coupon bundles. Temu offers various coupon bundles such as the $300 bundle, $200, 250, 120, 70, and 400 coupon bundle. So, how do you use the coupon bundle? So, browse and select the product. So, go into the shop of Temu website and add items to your cart. As easy as that. Add items you like. Navigate to the main menu and select the coupon options. View all available coupons and locate your Temu coupon bundle. Then click on the coupon bundle to copy the discount code. Return to your cart and paste the coupon code into the designated code bar to apply the discount. By following these steps, you can easily take advantage of the savings offered through Temu coupon bundles. So as simple as that, you just browse the Temu website, add some items you like, then you navigate to the main menu and select the coupon option, view the available coupons and locate your Temu coupon bundle. After that, you just copy the discount code and apply it on the cash out.